Like everything that bears the STIHL name, these pressure washers are built for the task and built to last. Drawing on their experience with professional pressure washers, STIHL builds their homeowner units using high durability parts and materials to provide you with years of reliable performance. And they back it all up with a 2-year limited warranty. With STIHL, it's easy to keep your decks, patios, driveways, fences, and sidewalks looking like new. Clean equipment, outdoor furniture, play sets, and storage areas with ease. STIHL offers 2 excellent gas-powered pressure washers for homeowners. The RB200 is a great, compact, portable unit that's ready to take on your to-do list. Or step up to the portable RB400 and find out why they call it the Dirt Boss. STIHL also offers plug-in portable electric pressure washers. Being super compact and having no fuel, these units are easy to use and even easier to store. And with no exhaust emissions, you can use them in more places as well. The lightweight STIHL RE90 weighs only 23.5 pounds, but it really packs the power. Or step up to the RE110 Plus with its 23-foot hose and built-in pressurized hose reel. Every STIHL pressure washer comes standard with a high-quality lance and gun assembly and a selection of useful nozzles. And you can choose from a wide range of available accessories, from detergent and rotary cleaners to water brooms and gutter cleaners that add even more versatility and value. You can find the full range of STIHL pressure washers, accessories, and of course, amazing customer service at your local STIHL dealer.